So day 4 in self-isolation. It's Monday, the 23rd of March. How are you feeling today, Harry?
Good.
Good? Yeah? And could you tell me 3 things that you did today?
I done arts and crafts
Yeah?
with Rosie.
Yeah.
And I done Writers Cafe.
Writers Cafe.
And I done some spellings. And I played some football and I had lunch and I had tea. And I was playing with water.
So you've done lots.
I had
What did you do first thing this morning at 9 o'clock?
PE party.
PE
with John
party
Wicks.
with Joe Wicks. And then what did you do, the last thing you did today with me?
Scratch.
You did Scratch. Our first ever video tutorial.
Of Scratch.
Yep. And if you were going to give today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish and 10 is brilliant, what would today's score be?
8.
8 again? Oh my goodness. Okay. All good? See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow night.